How to copy the link of your Roblox profile. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to copy your Roblox profile link, if you're using your PC or web browser, go to roblox.com first and then log into your account. After that, click on the profile picture icon or your username icon in the top left corner of the screen. Once you do that, you will be taken to your Roblox profile page. Now copy the URL address bar. It will look like www.roblox.com/users and your account number and then /profile. Simply right click on it and then tap on copy, or you can also use Ctrl+C on your keyboard and you're done. Now you can paste your profile link to share it. And if you're using mobile device, you can also do the same. Go to Roblox app, tap on the three dots at the bottom right, go to profile, and then if you see the three dots in the top right corner, tap on them and then tap on copy link profile, which will be available over there. Then copy the full link from the browser. Or you can also go and open a browser and then copy the link from the browser. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.